In this tutorial, I will show you how to create this image for free. If you are new to this channel, subscribe for more update. You can use the Microsoft Bing app or Google Chrome, but we're using the app first, then we use Google Chrome. Watch the video till the end. Open the app. You can get the prompt in description of this video. Copy that prompt and paste it. Click on Create. Click the three dots and download. Now we are using Google Chrome. Search for Microsoft Bing Image Creator. Click on the first site. And you can change the name and add your